Beats PowerBeats 3 Review. Fitness-focused in-ears get the W1 treatment. With the PowerBeats 3 we have a pair of dedicated fitness headphones from Beats, now owned by Apple, and they come fitted with the W1 chip, giving them even greater power within the Apple ecosystem. What this further Apple tie-in means is that once connected to an iPhone, they'll be recognized by an iPad, MacBook, or Apple Watch linked to your iCloud account, so you can say goodbye to lengthy pairing sessions, at least in theory. Beats PowerBeats 3, white, at Walmart for $134. There's no news yet on any PowerBeats 4, but Apple has been adding new colors to the range since these headphones launched, including Pop Violet, Pop Indigo, Pop Magenta, and Pop Blue. Update: Apple has just announced a new AirPod-style version of the PowerBeats series called the PowerBeats Pro. The new in-ear headphones have a 9-hour battery life plus a 15-hour charging case, and both smaller and lighter than the PowerBeats 3. If you're looking for a pair of wireless workout buds, you might want to wait for those instead. The latest W1 chip also brings with it a more robust and longer-reaching connection, meaning you can wander much further from your music without experiencing any jumping or cutting out. As anyone into fitness will tell you, headphones that you plan on running or working out with need to fit well. The earhook design of the PowerBeats 3 is designed to stop them from falling out at all, with a range of tips to ensure a snug fit, though it wasn't always perfect in our experience. If you're in the market for a set of Beats buds that won't fall out, then it's going to cost you a little more than others on the market. Where you can get some Bluetooth headphones for as little as $20/£15, the PowerBeats 3 were priced at a steeper $199.95, $169.95/$259.95, at launch, but for that you do get some considerable upgrades. Beats PowerBeats 3 Design. The design of the PowerBeats 3 doesn't really deviate too much from the previous iterations, with the buds housed on long plastic oblongs, connecting to your ears with rubber wrist hooks, and of course, the obvious Beats logo on the side for the cachet owning such a brand confers for some. There are a variety of tips in the box, with flanged buds among our favorites. However, while the hook design does stop the headphones falling off your head completely, it means that the seal in the ear isn't always total. The hook pressing against the outside of one's ear can prise the buds out slightly, so noise isolation ends up not being perfect. Initially the hooks were far too wide, and the PowerBeats 3 fell out the ear and dangled around too often. However, the hooks will bend slightly, and if you narrow the angle you'll get a pretty comfortable fit. They did start to come loose once during a 5K race, where there was no time to stop and refit them properly, and thus were just left to flap about a bit, but otherwise we had no issue with fit during testing. The power button, which is flush along the top of the oblong units the buds are attached to, can be hard to find with the finger, especially if you didn't realize it was there at first, as we did. And as it's not proud from the unit, turning the PowerBeats 3 on and off with gloves is a nightmare, with guesswork really your only option. The inline remote is strong and easy to use though, with pronounced buttons and a strong build quality making it easy to click to change the volume, take a call or skip tracks with double or triple taps. Good build quality is something we expect from Apple products, and the PowerBeats 3 offer just that, everything from the logo to the attached toggle, to let you customize the length of the cord dangling around your neck, feels premium, and helps make the higher cost more palatable. Beats PowerBeats 3 Sound quality and connection. Where many fitness headphones err on the tinny side when it comes to sound quality, preferring to pump up the volume so your music can be heard when pounding the streets or grunting through weightlifting, the PowerBeats 3 do have a richer sound to them. The bass is higher than you'll find on many other headphones.